Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something a lot of people think they know how to do, but end up getting wrong: ordering prescription glasses online. And trust me, as convenient and affordable as online shopping has become, I see so many people make simple mistakes that lead to glasses that slip, pinch, sit crooked, or give you that weird "why does everything look slightly wrong" feeling. So instead of learning the hard way, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, step by step, giving you the kind of practical advice that makes your next pair of glasses look better, fit better, and feel like they were made just for you. Yes, I still think supporting your local optical shop is amazing when possible. Nothing beats hands-on adjustments and trying on frames in person, but online ordering has come a long way. And when you know what to look for, you can get incredible eyewear without ever leaving your house. For anything else, you need a current prescription. No guessing. No using that 3-year-old slip from your wallet. And definitely no "I think my power is the same as last time." Your prescription includes all the tiny details that determine how clearly you LLC, whether you're nearsighted, farsighted, have astigmatism, or need extra corrections. And if your PD pupillary distance isn't listed, don't panic. Most online stores now include accurate tools or apps that measure it in seconds. Once you've got your prescription sorted, the fun part starts: choosing frames. If you thought choosing glasses in store was overwhelming, online shopping is like diving into an ocean of options. Bold colors, minimal wireframes, oversized trends, glow-in-the-dark frames. It's basically eyewear heaven. But instead of scrolling endlessly and hoping something jumps out at you, the real trick is filtering smartly. Narrow things down by frame shape, gender, category, size, or even your personal style vibe. And if you've never used a virtual try-on tool before, prepare to be amazed. The technology is so good now that it feels like a realistic mirror. Plus, it'll help you identify your face shape, which is something many people get wrong. As a general rule, choose frames that contrast your face shape. Rounder frames for square faces, boxier frames for round faces, and so on. It's not a strict rule, but it's a great starting point. One thing a lot of people don't realize is how much proper measurements matter. Every pair of glasses has 3 important numbers on the inside: arm lens width, bridge width, and temple length, and matching these to a pair you already own makes a massive difference. You'll avoid glasses that look way too big or sit awkwardly low on your face. If your glasses constantly slide down your nose, that's not a you problem. It just means you need adjustable nose pads or a different bridge size. Once your frame is chosen, the next big step is entering your prescription correctly. Double-check your plus and minus signs. Seriously, this is one of the most common mistakes people make. A simple sign error can completely ruin your vision through the new lenses. If you have prism or additional values, make sure to input them exactly as written. Take your time here, accuracy matters. Then comes the part where everyone gets confused: lens types. Clear lenses are great for everyday use, but you can upgrade to blue light blocking lenses if you're always on screens, or go for photochromic transitions lenses that darken outdoors. If you get migraines or are sensitive to bright light, specialty lenses like FL41 can be a game changer. After you choose your lens type, you'll need to select the lens index. In other words, how thin or thick the lenses will be. Higher prescriptions absolutely benefit from high-index lenses, which are lighter, thinner, and reduce distortion. And please, don't skip the anti-reflective coating. It reduces glare, keeps your lenses clearer, and makes everything look more crisp, especially if you work under lights or spend time in front of screens. It's one of those upgrades that's 100% worth it.